Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. I am Siddiq Amri, your chemistry teacher. Students, we are going to discuss the practical of the chemistry regarding the organic compounds. Either the organic compounds are the saturated or the unsaturated. So we will identify the saturation or unsaturation of the organic compounds with the help of the potassium permanganate or KMnO4. So the title of the chemistry practical is identifying the saturated and the unsaturated organic compounds by the potassium permanganate test. RKMnO4 test. First of all, we will see what is the apparatus of this practical. First of all is test tubes, test tube holders. We have already discussed the number of times regarding these things. Test tube racks and dropper. Furthermore, three acids will be used in this practical. First of all is cinnamic acid, ethyl alcohol, esterified KMnO4 solution, distilled water, tartaric acid solution, and bromine water. We will see the diagram. First of all, we have the three test tubes: test tube A, test tube B, and test tube C. In the test tube A, there is a KMnO4 solution. In test tube B, there is cinnamic acid solution, which will be the suspension. And in the test tube C, color of the KMnO4 will be discharged, which mean that reaction is completed and we can find the results and the observation. In the first point, first of all, we will have to see the test tube A, and in the test tube A, we will add the 5 centimeter cube of water and the few crystals of the KMnO4. Then we will shake or stir this test tube so that water and KMnO4 will dissolve in the solution. And at the end, we will add the few drops of the sulfuric acid in the test tube A. So we can say that in the test tube A, we can add 5 centimeter cube of water, few crystals of the KMnO4 solution or KMnO4 crystals, and we will shake this solution or stir this solution so that they can dissolve with one another. And at the end, we will add the sulfuric acid few drops. In the point B, we will take the test tube B. Similarly, we will add the 5 centimeter cube of the water and we will add further few crystals of the cinnamic acids in the solution. As cinnamic acid is insoluble, so it will form the suspension in water. This is the point. In test tube B, we will add the 5 centimeter cube of the water. Furthermore, add the few crystals of the cinnamic acid. Cinnamic acid is not soluble in the water, so it will make the suspension. And the next one is that we will add the few drops of the esterified KMnO4 solution. And this esterified KMnO4 solution, when we will add in the cinnamic acid, then we will record the observation. At the point 4, we will take the test tube C and add the similarly 5 centimeter cube of the water, and furthermore add the few crystals of the tartaric acid. In this end, add the few drops of the esterified KMnO4 solution. And what will happen? It's mean the color there will be no change in the color in this regard. This is basically the practical, and we will see the observation and the results now. In the context of the observation, we have divided into the two parts. One of them is called experimentation and other is called observation. In the experimentation, esterified KMnO4 solution to the aqueous suspension of the cinnamic acid. It's mean we will add the esterified KMnO4 solution in the cinnamic acid suspension. What will be the result or observation? Color of the esterified KMnO4 solution was discharged. It's mean the color of the KMnO4 solution will be changed or discharged. And in the second experiment, esterified KMnO4 solution will be added into the suspension of the tartaric acid and there will be no change in the color, right? The cinnamic acid is what will be the result? The cinnamic acid solution is an unsaturated organic compound because it decomposes the bromine water KMnO4 solution. If we will see the importance of this practical in the examination, this is the previous paper. Identify the saturated and unsaturated organic compounds by the KMnO4 test. So if we will see the mark distribution of this practical, as I have already number of times say to you that and explain to you that 5 marks is of the procedure or the outline of the method, 2 marks is for the preparation of the solution showing the change in the color, and 3 marks are of the observation and the results. So this practical will be of the 12 marks, 5 marks will be of the outline of the method or the procedures, and 2 marks will be of the preparation of the solution. 2 marks are showing the change in the color and 3 marks is of the observation. So total marks of this practical is 12. Thank you very much, students. I shall try my best to provide you the best videos or try my best to explain the videos in a good context. But if you have feeling some problems, you can frequently allow to ask the question in the comment box, and you can ask the thing, do you can discuss the things with me. Thank you very much. Assalamu alaikum.